Wonder what gift I'll get this Christmas.
Were you a good boy? Remember what Grandpa said? Bad boys and girls get what? Charcoal!
But it was late, and it was time for the children to go to sleep. The grandfather clock struck midnight, and Clara was awakened by its chime. She went to the living room and saw Grandpa Nick.
Grandpa, you scared me. Why are you dressed as a magician?
Don't be scared, child.